It happened so fast. It was spinning in front of my window, and I'm like, oh my God, we're in it.
Karen Lee joins us live in Windsor.
The damage just goes on and on and on.
There is debris everywhere.
This is a sight we won't soon forget.
The pictures this evening are unbelievable. The stories are heart-wrenching.
Our neighborhood's gone. Our house is gone.
This small community is getting some big help.
We're asking for your help to pay it forward to the tornado victims.
They have raised more than $20,000 already. We all care about them, and we're all here to help.